Its main feature is Interview Copilot, which listens to an interview in real time and generates structured answer suggestions. It also offers AI mock interviews, a resume builder, job hunter, and career coach. Getting started is straightforward. Choose a subscription or use the available trial, download the native desktop app, sign in, and allow the required system permissions. You can also add your resume, target role, and other information so the AI can personalize its suggestions. Then start your interview on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Final Round AI can detect the interview session and activate Interview Copilot automatically. This is where Final Round AI becomes interesting. During the interview, the AI processes the conversation and generates structured talking points in real time. For behavioral questions, it can organize suggestions using the STAR framework: situation, task, action, and result. You can use these suggestions as a thinking aid instead of trying to memorize a complete answer. For technical interviews, coding rounds, system design, and case-based interviews, Final Round AI also provides specialized assistance. The platform says it supports tools and environments including HackerRank, CodeSignal, CoderPad, and LeetCode. Another useful feature is the AI mock interview. Before a real interview, you can practice questions and receive feedback, which makes the platform more useful than a tool that only works during the actual interview. Here's the catch. Final Round AI doesn't have a permanent free plan. It offers a 10-minute trial, while paid plans currently start at around $25 per month when billed annually. Monthly and quarterly options cost more. The biggest limitation is that AI-generated answers aren't always perfect. If you simply read the suggestions word for word, you can sound robotic. The tool works better when you use its answers as prompts and respond naturally. So, is Final Round AI worth it? For active job seekers who want interview practice, personalized preparation, and real-time AI assistance, it's one of the more complete platforms I've seen. But remember, using AI during an actual interview may violate an employer's rules. So always check the interview policy before using live assistants. My personal opinion: Final Round AI is most valuable when you use it as an interview preparation coach, not as something you depend on to answer every question for you. If you enjoyed this review, like and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews.